Welcome back to the channel. If you are working in Inkscape and struggling to connect separate lines into a single path, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I will walk you through the professional workflow to join lines, bridge gaps, and create continuous paths for your vector illustrations. This is a game changer for finishing your designs, so if this tutorial helps you streamline your workflow, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Inkscape tips. Let us dive right in. First, you need to prepare your objects. Open your document and use the selection tool by pressing S on your keyboard to select the two lines you want to join. Before you can merge them, you must ensure both are treated as paths. Go to the menu, select Path, and then click Object to Path, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+C. Next, it is crucial to enable snapping by hitting the % key on your keyboard. This ensures your endpoints lock together with pixel-perfect precision. Now for the actual joining process. First, we need to combine the lines so Inkscape views them as one entity. With both lines selected, go to Path and select Combine, or use the shortcut Ctrl+K. Now press N to switch to the Note tool. Drag one endpoint until it snaps perfectly to the other endpoint. Draw a box around both nodes and look at the top Tool Controls bar. Click the icon that says Join Selected Nodes. Sometimes your lines might not be touching, and you need to bridge that gap. With the Node tool still active, hold the Shift key and click the two end nodes you want to connect. Instead of overlapping them, look for the icon in the toolbar that says Join Selected End Nodes with a new segment. Inkscape will automatically draw a straight line, fusing them into one continuous path. Now, here are some pro tips for better results. If you notice your line markers or arrows pointing in the wrong direction after joining, just select your path and go to Path, then Reverse. If you are creating a custom shape that you want to fill with color, just repeat the joining process for every endpoint until the shape is fully closed. And if your path looks a bit distorted after merging, try Path, then Simplify to clean up the nodes. Keep practicing these steps with the shortcuts I have mentioned, and you will be a master of path manipulation in no time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy designing!